Look toward of the Americas. On the left, it stands 622 feet up to the rooftop, 750 feet up to the antenna. It's the second tallest free-standing structure in the States. Witness this developed child in '68. And the building directly behind me, it is 48 stories tall. It's officially the tallest building in San Antonio, officially the tallest building in the world. It was the German language. Get a nice young lady a scholarship. Yeah. Go to Berkeley. On that note, guys, look to my right above the trees, right across the street. We have our first German Catholic church. It's at 868, right smack in the middle of some Mexican ministry. They gave us the accordion. So what does Alfred recommend you do before you go back home around the room? Hey guys, march over to Market Square. Buy yourself a good old-fashioned Mexican CD recording music. And I think there's anything inside a microwave. Chamber of Commerce, goodbye. There you go. We got somebody else, guys? Are you doing the Macarena? Are you doing the Macarena? Macarena? Look. Hey, Macarena. Thank you, Javier. My friend Beto. My friend Carlos. These are 3 Dog Night. 3 Dog Night. Yes, 3 Dog Night. Oh, there you go. That's my teacher. That's my dancing teacher. I'm a dancer. That's my dancing teacher. Give him a bump. Give him a real bump. Yeah.
Woo, woo, woo!
Hey, Alfred says, look to my left, look behind me, look at this orange sculpture.
Oh,
it's a gift from Mexico, 65 feet high, 45 tons, designed by Sebastian Cabo from Mexico. And guess what, guys, guess what? It was free. You know why? Who loves coupons? Yeah! Don't leave home without it, guys. You're gonna need it. On my left-hand side, look at my Hilton Palacio. It's in the Guinness World Record as the fastest launch ever. Kayaking going make worldwide record time 202 working days. Your Bowcasting Alfred witnessed this developed child in '68. Rooms were assembled 8 miles southwest on flatbeds, trains ready. Left other rooms and circling. They had area ready to go. Shower curtain, shampoo, even the towels you take home. We're taking inventory.
Quack, quack.
Straight up, straight ahead. The sign that reads the Little Ryan Steakhouse and the big 1850s, and it sits on land grant from the King of Spain, 1817. Artist Center, guys. Here we have the Artist Center. Right by the Artist Center, guys, we have La Villita. La Villita means the little village. By the shopping, guys. Here, where Santana places cannons. From stage for 26 years. Then it's Fiesta Nuestro Rio. Like everyone say, Fiesta. And speaking of Fiesta, look to my right. You're gonna find mission bells. They honor the father of the real one, Robert H. Hugman. Who can tell me what Hallelujah was spelled on his stature? Ladies, I'll give you a hint. A beauty contest. She had connections with the FBI. What's it? That's right. They filmed the movie Miss Congeniality. You know why she knows his answer? Because. You never know, guys. You never know. That's why she's wearing the shade. She's wearing the shade here. On my right, look here. Waterfalls here. And behind the waterfalls, we have our Briscoe Western Art Museum in Honor of Governor Del Briscoe inside a store in Santana.